Good morning, children. Today, let us see the continuous group distribution table. In the previous video, I had told the difference between the discontinuous distribution table and the continuous distribution table. So, let us see the sums based on the continuous group distribution table. Now let us see the sum, that is the following are the monthly rent in rupees of 30 shops. Given the data are 42, 49, 37, 82, etc. up to 43. You have to make a continuous distribution table, one class interval being 40 to 50. Here you have to exclude 50. This shows that you have to make a continuous group distribution table. We have to note that the smallest number here is 31 and the greatest number is 84, and the class size you are able to observe that is between 40 to 50. The class size is 10. So let us start making the groups from 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70, 70 to 80 and 80 to 90. We'll be stopping over here as the greatest number is 84. Now let us make a tally mark in this group interval. First number is 42. So this mark will be made in the class interval 40 to 50. And the second number is 49. 49 lies between 40 to 50. So in this group interval we will be entering the tally mark. Next one is 37. 37 lies between 30 to 40. So tally marks will be entered in this group that is in this class interval. This process goes on. After entering all the tally marks, check to that whether the frequency turns up to 30 because it is given the monthly rents of 30 shops is given over here. Also, don't forget to make a block of 5 in the tally mark. This is how you make the continuous group distribution table. Let me take one more example. Here you have to construct a frequency table for the following marks obtained by 45 students using equal class intervals. Again, one of the class interval being given as 16 to 24. And here also they are mentioned 24 you should not include. That shows you have to make a continuous group distribution table. And the data given are 12, 35, 6, 10, etc. Note, here you have to see first in order to find the smallest number and the greatest number, best way is to arrange all the numbers in the increasing order or that is ascending order. Here if you are able to observe, the smallest number is 6 and the greatest number is 63. Also the group size is 8 over here. So we will start making the group from 0 to 8, 8 to 16, 16 to 24, 24 to 32, 32 to 40, 40 to 48, 48 to 56 and 56 to 64. Since the last number is greatest number is 63, we will stop up to 64 over here. Also while making the group you should be careful that always or in all the group class intervals the class size should be same. 0 to 8 if you are going to observe the difference is 8. Again in 8 to 16 the difference is 8. Throughout the difference should be the same, that is the class size should be the same. Coming to the data, first number is 12. So this number lies between 8 to 16 in the class interval between 8 to 16. So we will make a tally mark in front of the class interval that is 8 to 16. Next comes 35. 35 lies between 30 to 40. So we will make the mark over there in front of 32 to 40. This process goes on. Finally, as I said earlier, add up all the frequencies and check whether you are getting 45. So in this way we make the continuous group distribution table. The main point you have to remember is that the upper limit is not considered over here. We consider only the lower limits. For example, if you want to enter the number 56, again I am reminding you 56 is considered only in the lower limit, that is we enter the number only in the class group, that is 56 to 64. So this procedure you have to follow. Hope you understood what you mean by continuous group distribution table.